Welcome to one more video lesson where we'll be talking about the future. We'll have a closer look at future forms. So, first and foremost, we're going to be talking about going to. So remember, we use going to when talking about your intentions. You're not sure. I'm going to wait here until Carol gets back. I'm going to be late this evening. I've got lots of paperwork to finish with. So you've got the intention, but you are not sure of the future action. Also, you use going to when making predictions about the future based on evidence. Look at that tree, it's going to fall. The figures are good. I can see the company is going to make a profit this year. There is evidence for these things to happen in the future. Very well, let's move on and talk about will. Uses of will are many. So, to begin with, predictions about the future based on your personal belief. Therefore, there is no evidence of any kind. Video machines won't be available in a few years. In the future, there will be flying cars. On-the-spot decisions, it's the restaurant context. Anything to drink, sir? I'll just have a glass of wine, please. Then when we are making factual predictions, they're based on matter-of-fact issues. For example, inflation will almost certainly increase by 1% over the next 12 months. The thing is, you use will combined with certain qualifying adverbs such as definitely, probably, no doubt. Offers and agreements, I'll carry that for you. I'll do the washing up. And also for promises and threats. You may remember this. I'll be home by 8. You'll be sorry for that. Next comes the future continuous. Here's the form, in case you don't remember, will be plus the main verb in the ing form. So natural course of events, as we have already discussed. Come round in the morning, I'll be painting in the kitchen. You are sure, it's just natural. This is what you'll be doing at the time. Before long, I'll be attending lessons in college. It's just natural for you, see? And also polite requests. This is when you have to ask a question that may be a bit embarrassing for you. So you ask a tentative question instead. For example, will you be checking out of your room by noon? Future perfect. So, we use future perfect to look back at a future point. And perfect, you see, you're going to use will have and the main verb in the past participle form. Here's an example. In 2 years' time, I will have finished the book, which emphasizes the completion of the action in a future point. Compare with, by the end of the month, I will have been working for this firm for a year. So this is the future perfect continuous, which emphasizes the duration of the future action. Very well. Now let's talk about time clauses. Time clauses are time expressions that indicate uses of the future. Here are a few examples for you. Very well. Some idiomatic expressions. Be to plus main verb. All the students are to assemble in the hall at 9 o'clock. This is used when talking about formal arrangements. Be about to, on the point of, or on the verge of, they refer to what is happening in the next moment. For example, I think the play is about to start now. Mary is on the point of resigning. The show was on the verge of being cancelled due to low ratings. See, this due to here means because of, but we can also use due to. The expression due is a way to talk about the future. Scheduled times. For example, the baby is due in April. The play is due to start in 5 minutes. Anne's flight is due at 6:20. Attention to the possibilities in terms of prepositions here. They depend on the collocation that comes next, okay? Right, very well. How about the future in the past? Danny was meeting his daughter that night. See, this resembles is meeting, so he was sure. Present continuous. Remember, past continues here as future in the past. They were going to watch the cup final. They had the intention to. None of us thought the exam would be so easy. Would is the past of will. So you're talking about predictions based on personal opinion. A politician was to give a speech, but she didn't turn up. Was to, remember, informal situations. Okay guys, that's all by now. Thanks for watching. Bye.